don't know what to say. So it's amazing, truly, truly amazing, and okay, now this I got from a friend who works at Mattel, and I really don't know what's in here. So, got a message the other day, and they said, you know, we got a bunch of employees' cars and things that we got no use for because they don't collect Hot Wheels, but they work at Mattel. So, oh, look at that! Let's say storage carousel. Huh. So, get the trusty fishing knife again here, and yeah. So, yeah, I got a note, and they said, you know, we got a bunch of stuff here that we don't collect, and they work at Mattel, and they get them because they work at Mattel. So I said, wow, you know, I don't have any employee stuff. Just tell me how much you want for them, and I'll send you the money. So they said, oh, we don't want any money, just somebody who's going to take care of them. Well, I was beside myself, you know, because, like I said, I don't have any employee cars, any of that stuff. One, I can't afford them. And two, you know, usually that stuff is gone. Or Pascal. Bruce Pascal picks it all up, you know. But, got lucky. Of course, they know I'm not going to sell it because I don't sell anything. Just ask my wife. And, man, the heck. So, I am just as excited as you are right now because I don't even know what's in here. I can't even get it open. So, there we go. All right. So, I got a note here. So glad you reached out. So glad I reached out to you on these cars. You can use them. Happy to send them to a good home. Enjoy them. Wow. Well, thank you very much. You know who you are, and I know who you are. So, thank you. Wow. 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 I don't know what to say. This is Otto Cooney car. Happy holidays on this, the 40th anniversary of Hot Wheels. And, man. Trusty fishing knife here. I don't want to hurt anything. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Otto Cooney's signature. Okay. On the custom auto. Man. This is the 40 years speed, power, and performance made possible by the best people in the toy industry. Happy 40th and happy holidays. Yeah, I'm nervous. Holy moly. Volkswagen drag truck. Wow. Wow and double wow. The Volkswagen drag bus. And happy holidays. What year is this one from? And I'm so excited, so nervous, I can't even, I don't even know my name. And this is the dairy delivery. And wow, I don't know what to say. So it's amazing, truly amazing. And like I said, I don't have any employee cars, and this is one of the crown jewels to my collection. So thank you very much. And this one of the coolest things ever people have sent me. So there it is. And thank you very much. All right, now that I have regained my composure, let's talk about these cars a little bit. This is the Christmas dairy delivery from 2010. There were 1,200 of them done, and this one is kind of a low number, so pretty cool. And this is the drag truck from 2007. And there were 1,500 of these done. And the number on this one's a little high, but hey, I'm not complaining, trust me. And the drag bus is from 2009. There is 2,000 of them done, and pretty decent number on that one too. And the Otto Cooney cars, 2007. This one is autographed, and this is from the road tour that they did across the country, that Hot Wheels did across the country. This one is from El Segundo on the back there. And I also have the only other piece that I do have of Otto Cooney's signature, and this is the pop-up speed shop from the Red Line era. That's 68, I believe, when they first came out. So now I have two Otto Cooney signatures, and to me that is pretty cool. I was just happy to have one, let alone two. So these right here are the Christmas pieces for the Otto Cooney car, and it is 2007. And one of these, the base is a little bit different than the other one. They both say China on them. This one has an imprint of China molded into the base, and this one just has a little white tampo that says China on them. So this was my mail call today, and as you saw earlier in when I was opening it, how emotional I was, and you know, because these things mean a lot to me, and for someone to, you know, just give them to me is even more, because they know that I am definitely not going to sell these. These will stay in my collection forever. So it doesn't matter how much they are worth to me or anybody else. I think it was worth to them, knowing that it would come to me. So, and I thank them, you know, very, 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 very much. So that is it. My good fortune, my good luck, my you know, my whatever you want to call it. But it makes me very, very happy. So again, thank you very much for watching Hot Wheels TV. Please be kind to one another. You know, this is so cool. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends, and of course, be careful out there. All right. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. Bye bye.